Sounds like a bird.
Okay, I started already.
This is the bird backpack. This is how I carry them if I have to. Or if they want to go for a walk. And it has the Goffins in the middle and the Sydney on top, the big one on top. When I walked out of that place.
Are they gonna hear? Are they gonna hear Kookaburra?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
This is their backpack carrier.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Kookaberry. Hi, Kookaberry.
Kookaberry really loves this thing. It's so funny when it's time to go in, she just cooperates. So she gets very excited.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Kookaberry.
How you doing? How you doing, baby? Hi, Kookaberry. Okay.
Yeah, that's good. Thank you.
How do we turn it off?
The same way.